What's going on, boys and girls? Today we're going to be making some deviled potatoes. And yes, I got this idea from some video that I saw on Facebook. Comes up in my reels. So a lot of my recipes that you see, I just try them because they look so good on online. So we're going to try these deviled potatoes. It's a really easy recipe. Here we go. All right, we're going to start off with these Klondike Gold Dust potatoes. These are Idaho potatoes. They're really tender. You can eat the peel and everything. We're going to make this just like we do potato salad pretty much. Dill relish. We got some Tony Chachere's there. Got some mustard, some mayonnaise, some smoked paprika. Got some green onions as well. Let's go ahead and boil these things until they're tender. Now while these are boiling, or before they're boiling, make sure you add salt to it as well too. And again, we're just going to cook these until they're tender. Alrighty, once they're nice and tender, we're going to cool these things down because you want to be able to handle them. And we'll show you the next step. Alright, now what we're going to do here is we're going to cut this in half like we would a deviled egg. And then basically what we're going to do is just scoop out the center here. And this might not be the right thing to do it with, but anyway, you want to get most of this stuff out. I'm probably going to have to use a spoon or something smaller than that right there. All right, so yeah, this works a lot better right here, y'all. Just take a spoon. And again, you're going to keep the inside of this. And then we're going to do this to all of them. Again, you don't have to get it all the way down to the skin here. We're going to do all of them like this, but I'm not going to go through the whole process. Alrighty, that's what we got once we're done scooping everything out, and that's what's left. And guys, it takes, this right here is not something that's going to take 15 minutes. It took about an hour to scoop out all those things like this. Well, anyway, we're going to make this just like we do potato salads. And y'all have seen me make potato salad before, but I'll go through it real quick. Now, another thing I left out in the description, we're going to put some bell peppers in there as well, too. These are banana pepper rings. We're going to put some of those in there as well. All right, so it's real simple here. We're going to add some dill pickle relish. Now, some people use sweet pickles. I like the dill a little bit better. And we're going to put about 2 tablespoons in there. And that'll give it some of that dill flavor too, y'all. We're going to put our pepper rings that I've kind of chopped up. That's about 2 tablespoons of that. We're going to add some of these. I've got some sweet peppers, but I got some of these green onions. But I got some of these green chopped onions here, so we're gonna put some of those in there as well. We don't want that to overtake it here. We're gonna put some mustard in there. Again, you could put yellow mustard. Ooh, that Grey Poupon boy's got a little kick. About 2 tablespoons of that. This is about at the end. All right, what are we missing? Mayonnaise. Got to put some mayonnaise here. And it just depends on how creamy you want this to be. We're going to start off with about 4 tablespoons first. Go ahead and put you some Tony Chachere's in there to give it flavor. And I'm probably going to sneeze, y'all, because that Tony Chachere's does not play. And here comes the sneeze. I knew that sneeze was coming, y'all. That Tony Chachere's don't play. So give it a mix. Now, if you want this to be a little bit more creamier, which I do want it to be a little bit more creamy, I'm going to get a little bit of sour cream and put it in there. All right, we put about 2 tablespoons of sour cream in there. Give it a nice little mix here. Now, if you want to put eggs in there, you can. I'm not putting any in this right here. And that's about the consistency we want. We're going to put a little bit of smoked paprika in there to give it a little bit of flavor. And we're definitely going to use it on top of it, so it gives you that deviled egg appearance here. And then, of course, you got to give it a taste, guys, and make sure it's flavored properly. Guys and gals, that is perfect. I don't need to add nothing to that. That is delicious. I could eat that whole bowl. It is so doggone good. All right, now you could take this and put it in a plastic bag, but I got one of these little fancy gadgets here that's like a little pump here, and we're going to use this. It's got a nice little nipple here. Can y'all see that? So it's gonna be messy just to put this in here, but it'll work. We're gonna fill this up and we're gonna put it in there individually. All right, look at that right there, y'all. Look at that. So we're gonna see how, this is my first time using this thing, so it may be a disaster. All right, let's see how this is gonna work, y'all. Oh yeah, look at that, look at that. Look how it comes in little waves too, y'all. Yeah. So we're gonna I'm not gonna film this whole thing or video this whole thing. Y'all see what's happening. All right, that thing was a disaster, y'all. I mean, it came out all right, but because it's got those onions and the peppers and in there, kind of it makes it not come out smoothly. You know what I mean? So you're better off just putting it in with a spoon. That's why I did most of those with a spoon. All right, y'all. We used almost all of that potato stuff too. We got a little bit left over, and then you've always got to have some paprika on them here to make them really look like deviled egg. These things are delicious too, y'all. You can eat them cold. You know, you ain't got to warm them up. Nothing like that. So we're going to get them all nice and pretty here. But this is such an easy recipe. I mean, it's not a replacement for deviled eggs. Nothing can beat deviled eggs, but it's just a fun thing to do. It's just something easy to do that you can do for one of your holidays or some type of special day that you have. Hope you guys enjoyed this video. Like, share, comment. Hit that little thumbs up, guys, because it makes that algorithm kick in and send this out to more people. I'm going to finish putting this paprika on these eggs and getting them ready for us to eat with that, those pork ribs we made last night. Y'all have a great day. Peace.